Guys, so Kellan now is going to see half the face done, which is the right half done. So if you look to the camera, Kellan, so you see this face is not done, this is done. You can see the difference between both of them now. And she's going to see that difference now for the first time. So can you show her, please? Come here.
Can you believe that?
You're going to make me cry, Doctor.
Oh,
Don't touch your face.
No, but this is exactly what I wanted.
Fantastic.
oh my god.
I'm very happy with that.
Look at your face, Mom. You look so stunning.
I can wear makeup again.
Yes, you can do whatever you want to
got your face
do.
back.
And the good
This
thing
is
about
my
it,
old. I used to have these cheekbones
Yeah.
before.
I know, I
Oh
know.
my god.
And it's natural.
I know, and it's natural. It's your own cheekbone. It's not coming. The great thing about it, it's permanent.
And Doctor, my line here is gone.
Yeah, it's gone. Yeah,
It's
yeah,
gone.
yeah, gone. Yeah, gone.
That's a
Got
miracle.
miracle hands.
Miracle.
Thank you.
That's actually a miracle.
I'm going to tell everyone about
This
you.
is
I
amazing.
can't stop looking at myself. Is that
That's you.
that was me 10 years ago?
Yes.
10 years
I
ago.
can't believe that. I told you I had a good feeling. Helen.
No, I can't believe this is old me. I can't believe
And that was your
Doctor.
bad side, so imagine.
This is the bad
But
side.
these
Yeah. I always
results-
start with the bad side. Yeah.
But these
You are
results are better than what
amazing.
you showed me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't.
I
expect
told you
this.
I always under promise.
This is a miracle. I can't believe
And
it.
when I smile, can you see there's less wrinkles?
Yeah,
and there's more
Don't
wrinkles
touch
now?
it now.
Okay,
Don't
so
do
Oh
this
my
now.
god, that is amazing. We need to bring Mom.
I'm bringing everyone.
Everyone. I need this as
I know.
well. This is amazing.
Fantastic.
Amazing. I can't.
And what I have here with the
Yeah,
darkness,
yeah.
this is normal.
So the darkness, we're gonna work now on the pigmentation, because what happened is when this area is a bit saggy and there's a depression inside, the sun stays in this much longer than being straight like that, where it reflects very quickly. So when it stays much longer, you start to get pigmentation in the area. So now we fix the contour, it's quite pushed upward. Now the sun is not going to stay in. Now we're going to work with the pigmentation with a little bit of a cream to remove the pigmentation.
But doctor, you know when I was younger, I had this thing here.
Yeah, I know.
And I can see it
You
now.
can, yeah, it's not,
I
yeah.
used to have this,
Yeah.
which I remember.
I know.
I don't want to cry, put this
Okay.
away. You're amazing.
You're amazing.
You're amazing.
Fantastic, guys.
Absolutely
Fantastic.
amazing.
Actually amazing.